Hey friends! If you're feeling a little nervous about Inktober Tangles 2025, you are so not alone. I got messages every day from people who want to try Zentangle but worry about messing up, or wonder if they can keep up with 31 days of drawing. Today, I'm sharing the 5 easiest, most calming Zentangle patterns to set you up for a creative, stress-free October. These are the exact patterns that help me fall in love with Zentangle, and they'll show up in our challenge. No experience needed, just grab a pen and let's find our Zen together. If you missed my first teaser on Inktober Tangle Challenge from everythingisart.com, we're doing 31 days of mindful tangling together starting October 1st. All beginner friendly, all about turning stress into beautiful art. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the daily patterns. Trust me, you won't want to miss this journey. First up is Flux. I'm going to draw a variation. It's called Nestled Flux, a magical pattern for beginners. It looks fancy, but it's super simple, and it's perfect for when your mind is racing. Draw a wavy, big arch line. Then connect the bumps with a C line to create the flux shape. Mindfulness tip: focus on your breath as you draw each curve. Notice how your mind slows down with each line. Wobbly lines? Totally okay. They make your art uniquely yours. See how the soft curves already bring calm? Imagine how soothing this will feel during a whole October. Next is Tipple, the most beginner-friendly pattern ever. It's literally just little circles, or as I call them, happy bubbles. Fill each space with overlapping circles. Each circle is like a breath, gentle, slow, grounding. And before you know it, you've created something that looks beautifully sophisticated. This is going to be your confidence booster for October. Notice how simple shapes suddenly feel elegant? That's the magic of tangling. Now for Hollibaugh. This one looks complex but is secretly beginner friendly, and it makes you feel accomplished fast. Draw curved or straight lines and watch how I overlap the lines and weave them in and under and over the other lines. It teaches depth and dimension in the simplest way. Try this and you'll feel you've created advanced art in minutes. See how the lines weave under each other? Adding shading really emphasizes which lines are on top and which ones are below. Crescent Moon is my go-to for anxious days. Start with a circle, add crescents along the edge, then echo inward. Try this slowly and notice how your mood shifts. This pattern reminds us that just like the phases of the moon, anxious moments always pass. See how shading pulls your eye inward? That's the calm sneaking in through the details. Finally, Diva Dance, a fan favorite. Fun, rhythmic, and pure movement. So here, draw flowing lines, add a bump, and then echo across the space. For waltz, it's 1, 2 lines, and then draw a bump. So line, line, bump, line, line, bump. Did you get the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 waltz rhythm? It feels like music for your pen. When you're stressed, let your lines dance. It's impossible not to relax. When drawing Diva Dance Foxtrot, this time we use a 1, 2, 3, 4 rhythm. So the beat goes 1, 2, 3, and then bump, and then line, 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 bump. Try it again. Line, 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 bump. Line, 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 and then a bump. Just like the Foxtrot dance. For Diva Dance, variation rock and roll, anything goes. Here, I'm drawing the flowing line in a circle. So I'm just radiating out of a central point and then adding bumps wherever I feel it needs a little bit more interest. So now we've learned how to draw all 5 beginner-friendly tangle patterns. Now let's put them all together. Divide your tile into different sections. No perfection needed. Add flux here, Tipple there, Hollibaugh, Crescent Moon, and finish it off with Diva Dance. Now look at that! You just created a full multi-pattern Zentangle tile. If you can do this, you're 100% ready for Inktober Tangles 2025, brought to you by everythingisart.com. Check out Stephanie Jennifer's channel for the list of the tangle patterns. You did it! If you can draw these 5 patterns, you are absolutely ready for the 31-day Inktober Tangle 2025 challenge. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Every line is a win. Which pattern was your favorite? Drop your practice style or a story about your art journey in the comments. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences, so more people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure. Tag your work with hashtag Hobbi101 Tangles or hashtag Inktober Tangle 2025. Take a moment and notice how you feel right now. Calmer? More focused? That's the gift of Zentangle. If this practice gave you even a tiny moment of calm, imagine what 31 days of tangling together could do. Ready for more? Check out my teaser video or binge my beginning Zentangle playlist right here.
From simple arts, in tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.